Notice when I push down on my bumper, and over in here, you can hear this noise. And that's what I hear when I'm driving, and I'm gotta get rid of that noise. Mostly to trying to stop this squeaking sound from our 2004 Yukon. I'm shaking my bumper here, and it's not as bad as it was before. I seem to be getting to the problem here. This noise seems to be coming further back. I got rid of the noise coming from my bumper area and right under the engine area.